Bitcoin has been exactly breaking down, getting rejected, and is following the M2 global liquidity. But I think that currently we are seeing that final shakeout, that final washout in the market before that rally to the upside, before breaking to the upside. A massive Bitcoin trap has been set while the momentum is turning bullish. So we will need to talk about that exactly in today's video. Everyone seems to be talking about the M2 global liquidity at this moment because it is just so accurate, and I have been saying that Bitcoin is likely to be seeing one more shakeout before that bottom will be getting formed, which is exactly what we are seeing right now. So yeah, we'll need to talk about this exactly and much more in today's update video. But as always, let's start off with a short term. And in that short term, Bitcoin has been actually dumping to the downside during the course of this weekend. And that weekend opening price is sitting at the 84.4k level. Usually we just tend to consolidate at around this level during the course of the weekend. Right now we have started to create this gap, so pretty likely this gap is to be filled with a retracement back to the upside. That is usually what we are seeing, so we could be seeing a little bit of a bounce. We didn't quite hit that golden pocket Fibonacci level of support just yet. This has been the level that I've been watching out for ever since we broke down of this rising wedge formation. That 81k level for Bitcoin, I think that is going to be a huge level, and I would definitely expect some reaction from this level. Now, anyways, yes, Bitcoin has been getting this rejection back to the downside ever since getting rejected by the Bitcoin EMA ribbons. We have been talking about this fact very extensively ever since breaking to the downside over here. Ever since following the global liquidity, the stock market, of course, as well, has been getting this rejection by this important level of previous support flipping into resistance. We've been exactly talking about all of this. And currently, the Bitcoin market sentiment is flipping back fearful again. But I think that what we are seeing at this moment, this Bitcoin dump to the downside, is going to be one of the last and final shakeouts before we're going to be bottoming out and before we're going to be rallying to the upside again. Now, I've been saying it many times, my approach to this strategy is going to be that I will be trading this falling wedge breakout to the upside. Whenever we're going to be breaking out, that's going to be the point where I'm going to be flipping bullish. I'm going to be entering my Bitcoin long positions again. And at this moment, well, Bitcoin is just exactly following the M2 global liquidity. Now, some people have been having a look into a 75-day lag. And if you have been having a look into the 75-day lag, yeah, we have initiated this rally to the upside already. We have started to reverse to the upside, but we have been having a look into the 105-day lag. Now, the 105-day lag seems to be the most popular one right now at this moment. And honestly, it's no coincidence because, of course, it's the most accurate one. But however, I have been saying that I will not be 100% relying on this indicator, okay? I will not tell you for certain Bitcoin has to be reversing over here at this exact date over here, and that's going to be the moment I'm going to be buying. No, I think that's going to be a pretty stupid approach and a pretty stupid strategy. How I'm going to be approaching it is that the general trend will be to the upside again. The global liquidity is not exactly telling us what is going to be happening next with the Bitcoin price. It has only just been telling us that over here we could be seeing a little bit of a reversal back to the downside, and after that reversal to the downside, the general direction for the Bitcoin price will be to the upside. So right now we have started to see this downwards move, right, that we have been expecting, and now we have had this dump to the downside. Now we can start to look at long possibilities again, and whenever we will start to break this downtrend that we are forming over here, that's going to be the moment where I think the Bitcoin price as well is going to be bottoming out and is going to be reversing to the upside and is going to be following the general direction, the general trend from the global liquidity. So yeah, I have been saying that a lot of Bitcoin traders are about to get fooled over here and are about to get trapped over here because I've been saying that I think Bitcoin is going to be consolidating inside of a range for a little bit longer than most traders would anticipate, and that is exactly what we are seeing at this moment. And because of this, I myself am also going to be a little bit more patient in that in the short term we could still see a bit more downside. So for me, I just want to be waiting for some more confirmations until eventually we're going to be breaking above this downtrending level of resistance, and we are going to be breaking above the Bitcoin EMA ribbons. These are going to be my confirmations, so I will be waiting very patiently. Anyways, in that longer time frame, well, we are about to see a dead cross by about next week or in about 2 weeks time, right? But this dead cross is going to be quite inevitable for Bitcoin, and people seem to be talking about this dead cross a lot on X and over on YouTube again. But people seem to be referring a lot to the cycle top, just like it did during the last cycle in 2021. But yeah, I've been going over this extensively yesterday. As long as we're still going to be trading in a bull market, I actually think that these dead crosses are more kind of a buy signal. And we are still definitely trading in a bull market, in my opinion, because 0 out of the 30 bull market peak indicators on-chain signals have been getting hit. So literally 0 of them have been getting hit. I think it's a very low chance that we have already topped out for this cycle. I think this bull market will still continue, and because of this, I think that this dead cross would just be another very good buying opportunity, like it was, for example, during this time around in 2023, just like it was during 2024, and right now in 2025, it will also be a good buying opportunity. And I think that my most accurate indication of whether we're still going to be trading in a bull market or not is going to be the 50 weekly moving average. As long as we're still going to be trading above this level, we're still looking pretty good in my opinion. Momentum is starting to flip again to the upside. So in the longer term, we should have a look in towards trend shifts again. We should have a look and keep our eyes wide open if we are and when we are going to be breaking above this falling wedge resistance, because that's going to be the huge reversal for the Bitcoin price I am going to be waiting for. Anyways, if you're also going to be getting interested in trading this yourself as well, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with the first link down below, you can be claiming $150 free trade over on Blofin. So make sure to be checking it out with that first link down below. Anyways, in that longer term, still going to be waiting for my opportunity to place my Bitcoin trade, just like I've been doing at all of these previous times over here. I will be trading this once again. I think the bottom is nearing at this current moment, and we are going to be seeing another leg to the upside. Anyways, yeah, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on X to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.